Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Vivo X300 Pro camera test after 1 month. The smartphone comes with the triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel selfie camera. First of all, talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 30fps video, and you also record 4K 30 60 120fps slow-mo video, and 1080p you can record 30 60 120fps to 40fps slow-mo video with EIS. And now I am recording 4K 60fps video and the video quality is very good. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the smartphone video quality. Now let's talk about the picture quality. First of all, I am talking about the macro photography. The 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens is also doing a macro photography, and as you can see that we are taking an excellent macro photo with the Vivo X300 Pro. Now to talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a good photo, all the images have a lot of details and sharpness and also very good dynamic range, and the color correction are very close to natural, and you guys get a very good idea about the picture quality in a daylight. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the smartphone camera quality. Now talk about the ultra wide picture quality. The 50 megapixel ultra wide you also take a great photo has main camera. All the photos have a lot of details and sharpness, color correction also very close to natural, and the night the smartphone also take a good ultra wide with this 50 megapixel sensor. So overall the ultra wide picture quality are very good. Now let's talk about the portrait picture quality. You can take 23mm, 35mm, 50mm, 85mm and 135mm focal length, and every focal length you can take a excellent portrait with Vivo X300 Pro. All the images have a lot of details and sharpness, and the bokeh mode are excellent, and the color correction and dynamic range are also very good, and the night portrait camera quality also excellent. You can take an excellent portrait with the Vivo X300 Pro no matter is daylight, low light and night. Every situation the smartphone give you excellent portrait. Now talk about the night photography experience. Night photography experience also very good. The 50 megapixel sensor take a good photo in a good lighting condition. All the photo have a lot of details and sharpness, color correction also very close to natural, and there have a no complaint about the picture quality. Every time and every shot the smartphone give you excellent and best result, and you guys get a very good idea about the picture quality the Vivo X300 Pro. Right now the Vivo X300 Pro is the best camera phone in the market. So if you looking for a best camera phone in the market right now, the Vivo X300 Pro is the best choice for you. Okay, that's all about our camera review. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.